Hi guys, welcome to Patterns Decoder channel. This channel is about technical analysis on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and altcoins. My interest is to find similar patterns in market and analyze it. Basically, patterns are formed by the psychological behavior between the buyers and sellers. Patterns are we have to figure. I basically believe in the wave theories and Fibonacci ratios. Today, I want to discuss about the XRP USDT pairing, where we are in the market and where we are leading it to it. In my previous week, I already explained where we are in the market. Today, I want to enlarge it whether we are in the same situation or any changes in the situation. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button for more weekly updates on XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Let's go through it. In my last week, I explained in my Telegram channel, I posted it. You can see it here. This is the weekly chart. The stock RSI blue crossover red not yet done. So MACD blue upward position not yet done and also green candle not yet started. So I have already mentioned that we have there is some more little time, some correction has been happened. This yellow color line has been given box so that a correction has been happened. Let us see. I already given in my Telegram channel that the daily chart. This is XRP daily chart September 20th. See what happened here. I already mentioned that we already reached in the stock RSI top and showing downward momentum. Wait for the blue to show upwards this till. So we completed the correction. Let us see what we are right now. In the weekly chart, there is still, I can see here, we haven't crossed this blue line, doesn't cross the red line. So I am expecting the like 4 days to maximum 1 week this correction of sideways in the weekly chart. So because it has not been completed, there is this volume candles of MACD. If you see it, there is still room for the correction. Let us go through the daily chart for better understanding. See here, if you see in here, everybody says that everybody can understand this wave theories. And I'm not talking about allied wave theory, just a wave theory. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're ready for the wave file. You can say that. Okay, just go back. See, just understand. This is what I'm expecting. We have a support level at see, this is a good resist support zone here, 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 and a lot more. This 0.21 and 0.22. So we completed the testing phase, retesting of this support level, and what happens next? Let us go to the patterns where we are in the pattern cycle. Just I observed one scenario in the Ethereum market. Just for understanding purpose, I am showing this. See, if you say this is the starting of the Ethereum which happened in 2015. This is the starting phase and went on. It went for the sideways and went up. See here, just for understanding, I am showing this. This phase is similar to what I will show is here. See, this is the entire downtrend and this phase. You can observe this scenario. From here, the crash has been happened like 1, 2. This what I am showing here in yellow color. 1 second, for better understanding, I am putting it yellow color. See, both are same. And what happened here? It went straight up and went for the correction. See, there is no big correction has been happened here. Let us go sideways. Okay, so it went straight up and went for the correction. What happened here? It went straightward and went for the correction. So take it as one more this scenario. Okay, green color. Let me put it green color. Okay, I think you got my point. What I'm going to tell. See, there are two scenarios, the same cycles. So what happens next? It went up and downtrend. Let us see what happened here. It went up and downtrend. Let's take it as okay. I think I have taken this Ethereum as 3D chart, the 3D chart. See, let us go through it here. it went up and downtrend has been happened. That is the final junction. So again it went up and went on for the downtrend. Let us see, it has been happened here. See, from here it went up and gone for the downtrend. Let's take this scenario. It went up and went for the downtrend. See here, just zoom it out for better understanding. I will show you two to three different scenarios which are almost similar here up to here. Okay, and again from here it went up and downtrend. Whether it has been happened here, it went up and downtrend. Maybe it has taken some longer time, but let us take this scenario. So what I'm saying is, this is the final deadline. So we almost completed the waves and scenarios. So here, this thing, what I'm saying here. Okay, this is the thing which I am explaining right now. So we almost completed the like entire cycle phase. So what happens next? It went up and see there is a correction happened here, but in three, see here from here it went up. So overall scenario in the weekly wise or 3 day chart, it can go up. But if you zoom in, you can understand. Let us take here and just to show you. This is the bottom phase where we are in the market. So what I am expecting is this phase, this small correction phase is still there, because in the weekly chart I have mentioned we already reached the stock RSI at the top. So I am expecting because of low volume and the BTC still the correction has not been completed. I am expecting a like sideways action, because if you see it, see it doesn't fall. I am expecting this sideways correction. It's a very healthy correction. I'm not saying it is a like a correction kind of a fall off or something like that. Let's take like this. Okay, very good scenario actually. This once maybe I am expecting October 4th or something, like 30th to October 5th or something. I already explained here in my daily chart. Let us see the maybe, yeah, if you see here October, it is coming around October 5th or something like that. I'm expecting. Let us go through it. So from here, if the correction has been happened for like 3 to 4 days, don't worry and don't panic. Just it is a healthy correction. It is similar to the as per the patterns. So what happens next? As I already explained in my previous chart, that we are going for the mega bull run. I explained the last time. This is all expected and is a pattern has been formed. See, once this correction has been completed to the sideways at bottom. See this zone I already explained here. We already completed this zone, and it can go up to 4.47. I am expecting this the minimum thing, because I don't want to speculate the things. So let us take the scenario from here. You can say, oh, so let us take. I am expecting a minimum of things like 0.55, 0.50. Okay, this is a Binance, because most probably the high volume will be in the Binance. So I am expecting this scenario. Let us take Fibonacci extensions. It is showing more than 0.58. It is showing that 2.6 on it, and the previous chart what I have mentioned here. See, from here to the bottom has been taken. Let us reconsider it. Let us take for two different scenarios. The 0.58 is the very good support, good resistance zone. See here till here, this is the bottom. So 0.49851, approximately 0.50. This is the very good support, good resistance zone, I can say. See here, this is has been happened, and here so much accumulation of buy selling has been happened. See, this the main thing. One second, just let me show you. See, entire when the listing in the Binance, it just went from the top, or it has been fallen from top to 0.50. So I am expecting a very good scenario that is the reason every analyst will say that 0.50 is a very good scenario. I don't want to say maybe you can just sell off before 0.49, like 0.498 also, to take just a profits for the normal traders. In the long term, I don't feel, even I am not going to sell it. I just, for the long term, I am going for till the all time high and more than that, and $14 or $95 or more than that. I'm just holding the XRP for the next 1 year, because this trading is just for small tradings and keeping the profits and trade other coins like Ethereum or something. Okay, this is the entire scenario of what I am discussing. Let us see in another perspective. Okay, see XRP BTC pairing. If you consider this from 0 to 1 and 2, 3, 4, let us see whether the same patterns exists here. Let us go to here. I'm just deleting it. See the four waves which has been happened. Everybody can understand this. This is the 3 and 4. See here, the 4 cycles has been happened here. If you consider, this is a one cycle and second cycle and this third cycle up to here. And what happened here? Went up and down, the fourth cycle. So that is what I am saying, went up and down. So what happens next? Everybody should understand this. So keep in mind this. It went up, and that is the reason why I am saying, see, let us see here in XRP BTC pairing, it went up, but what happened here? If the correction is going on here in the XRP BTC pairing, the pattern is same. That is the reason I am saying it can correction here. Correction will occur here. A correction in the sense healthy correction. It's not about the sell off or something. Very good healthy correction for before the lift off to $0.50. So I think if you like my video, please click like and subscribe my channel for more videos. My technical analysis is not a financial advice, only for educational purpose. Do your own research and trade, as crypto is very high volatility market. This video is not sponsored by Vajrex or anyone. Please follow my Twitter account, Telegram channel, link mentioned in the description button. Thank you everyone. I'll come up with the next weekly update.